Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on predicate nominatives. A verb agrees with its subject, but not necessarily with a predicate nominative. For example, Greg, Alexander, and Roxanne are Team B. Greg, Alexander, and Roxanne is the compound subject in this sentence, and Team B is the predicate nominative. Greg, Alexander, and Roxanne is a plural subject, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb are. However, if the sentence becomes Team B is Greg, Alexander, and Roxanne, Team B would be the subject of the sentence, and Greg, Alexander, and Roxanne would be the predicate nominative. For that reason, Team B, a singular subject, takes is a singular verb. Another example. The main ingredient in salsa is tomatoes. Ingredient is the subject in this sentence, whereas tomatoes is the predicate nominative. Because ingredient is a singular subject, it takes the singular verb is. If the order of the sentence is changed to become tomatoes are the main ingredient in salsa, tomatoes is now the subject of the sentence and ingredient is now the predicate nominative. Because tomatoes is a plural subject, it therefore takes the plural verb are. Another example. The featured attraction is the exhibits showing how to build a biplane. Attraction is the subject and exhibits is the predicate nominative. If the order of the sentence is changed to become the exhibits showing how to build a biplane are the featured attraction. In this context, exhibits is the subject. Therefore, attraction is the predicate nominative. Because exhibits is a plural subject, it takes the plural verb are. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.